Hi guys, we're gonna make pancakes. Look at my cupcakes.
Thank you, Nanay.
Thank you, Nanay, for the pancakes. Pancake bowl. This my ate who help me. Now we're gonna cook. It's part 2. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. Uy! I'm scared. Mama, fire on your house. Baka mama, malutuan ako. Instead of pancakes, roast bean pancakes.
Dami, puga.
Ito yung mama ko. This is my beautiful mama.